Hello everyone. In this session, today we'll discuss on the topic plant maintenance. So first, what is the plant? Before going to discuss about plant maintenance, first let me tell what is the plant. A plant is a place where men, materials, money, equipment, machinery, etc. are brought together for manufacturing products. So plant is a place where all the four M's. What are the four M's? Men, material, machinery, money, equipment. All these are going to brought together for manufacturing products. Then what is maintenance? For maintenance is that function of manufacturing management that is concerned with day-to-day problem of keeping the physical plant in good operating condition. So maintenance, generally we are going to use this word regarding house maintenance, regarding vehicle maintenance, regarding our health. So how, what is nothing, it is nothing but a function of management, which is concerned with day-to-day problem of keeping the physical plant in good operating condition. Okay. Then what is plant maintenance? Plant maintenance is nothing but where it is defined as a set of activities that are necessary to keep machinery, parts, and types of equipment in good operating conditions to avoid production stoppage and loss. That means it is going to avoid the delay in the production activity. So objectives of maintenance management, and also it minimizes the loss of production time due to equipment failure. Okay. Then what is the role of plant maintenance in production department? So what are the, before going to this, let me tell what are the current challenges which are going to face in the maintenance of the plant and equipment. So people are not trained. Production time due to loss in production time. Product reliability concerns. Cost of downtime unknown. Cause and effects not fully understood. Cause of non-compliance with regulations. Threat of vandalism or corporate espionage. Obsolete configurations get mistakenly loaded or reloaded. Damage to life or property caused by uncontrolled change. Configuration and changes to it not documented or not controlled. So regarding maintenance objectives, prevent breakdown or failures. So what is the role here? The role of plant maintenance in production management is it is defined as a set of activities that are necessary to keep machinery, parts, and types of equipment in good operating conditions to avoid production stoppage and less loss. Regarding objectives of maintenance management, it minimizes the loss of production time due to equipment failure, to reduce the loss due to production stoppage, to keep all productive assets in good working condition. This is the first one, minimize the loss of production time, and also to reduce the loss due to production stoppage. To also keep all productive assets in good working conditions. Improve the quality of product and to improve productivity. Helps to reduce the total maintenance cost of repair. Preventative maintenance and inventory carrying a cost due to a spare part inventory. To prevent the breakdowns or failures, maximize the useful life of equipment, minimize production loss from failures, Increase reliability of all operating systems, minimize frequency and severity of interruptions, maximize performance of product equipment, keep equipment safe and prevent safety hazards, maximize the production capacity and throughput utilization, improve product quality and customer satisfaction through adjusted and serviced equipment. Then, regarding types of maintenance, we are going to have breakdown or corrective maintenance, predictive maintenance, planned maintenance, and routine maintenance and preventive maintenance. First, let me tell breakdown maintenance. This is also called corrective maintenance. It occurs when work gets stopped because of machine breakdown. In this sense, maintenance becomes repair work. Repairs are made after the equipment is out of order. For example, electrical an electric motor will not start if the conveyor belt is tripped or shaft has broken. In this case, the maintenance department checks into difficulty and makes the necessary repairs. Repairs can be made after the equipment has been failed and cannot perform its normal function anymore. Justified in small factories where downtimes are non-critical. Repair costs are less than other type of maintenance, where financial justification can be having this type of maintenance. Okay. Next, regarding preventive maintenance. In contrast to corrective maintenance, preventative maintenance is undertaken before the need arises and aims to minimize the possibility of an unanticipated production interruptions or a major breakdown. Preventative maintenance consists of proper design and installation of equipment, periodic inspection of plant and equipment, repetitive servicing of types and machinery, adequate lubrication, cleaning, and painting of the building. So, machinery conditions are in this predictive maintenance. Machinery conditions are periodically monitored, and this enables the maintenance crews to take timely action, machine adjustment, repair, or overhaul. It makes use of human sense and other sensitive instruments like gases and vibration. So predictive is one of the new type of maintenance which may be anticipated to gain increasing attention. In this sensitive instrument are used to predicting double conditions. Trouble conditions can be measured on continuous basis, and this enables the maintenance of people to plan for an overhaul. So preventative maintenance, generally prevention is nothing but we have a famous phrase that prevention is better than cure. Locates weak spots on machinery and equipment, provides periodic scheduled inspections and minor repairs to reduce the danger of unanticipated breakdowns. It requires low maintenance. Okay. Coming to the routine maintenance, this includes activities such as periodic inspection, cleaning, lubrication, repair of production equipment. This can be classified into two types. Number one, running maintenance and as well as shutdown maintenance. Running maintenance, in this, the maintenance work is carried out while the equipment is in the operating condition. Whereas in the shutdown maintenance, the maintenance work is carried out when the machine or equipment is out of service. So running is nothing but even when the equipment is in operating condition, the maintenance work is carried out. Whereas in shutdown maintenance, it can be the repair work or maintenance work is carried out when the machine or equipment is out of service, when it is not used. It is a stitching time procedure and incorporates inspection, lubrication, repair, and overhaul of equipment. If neglected, can result in breakdown. Example: overhaul of machines, change heavy equipment, or etc. Then coming to the next one, planned maintenance. So the breakdown of machine does not occur in a planned manner, but maintenance work can be planned well in advance. So generally, the breakdown of machine or failure of machine doesn't happen. All of the breakdown happens suddenly. So for that, you have to plan this maintenance work in accordingly well in advance. Planned maintenance is also known as scheduled maintenance. It involves inspection of all plants and equipment, machinery, building according to a predetermined schedule. So let me tell what are the maintenance challenges. What are what are the challenges faced by the maintenance? Lack of management attention to management, lack of team collaboration, difficulties in obtaining time and cost estimations for maintenance work, lack of specific responsibilities, inadequate control procedures for work order service requests, inadequate budgetary control, standards doesn't you the standards are not used, absence of cost reports to aid, failure to develop written objectives and policies, absence of cost reports to aid maintenance planning and control systems, difficulties in measuring performance, difficulties in applying quantitative analysis, lack of consistent production goals, that is cost, quality, delivery, and safety, lack of participation by accounting in analyzing and reporting costs. These are the challenges by the maintenance department. Next, maintenance process. Next one is maintenance process. So first, the description of the object condition. So the most important element in this, how it can be done, how the maintenance process can be done. First thing is description of the object condition. It must able to describe the condition of the object, that is machine or tool. The most important element in this area is the maintenance notification. This is used to describe the condition of the technical object or to report a malfunction at a technical object and request the damage is repaired. Execution of second one is execution of maintenance tasks. The most important element in this area is the maintenance order. This is used to plan the execution of the maintenance activities in detail, monitor the progress of work, and settle the costs of maintenance tasks. Then, completion of maintenance tasks. The most important element in this area is the maintenance history. This is used for long-term saving of the most important maintenance data. This data can be called up for evaluation at any time. So what is the first element? The most important element is in the maintenance is description of the object condition. Whether what is the condition of the technical equipment regarding object, and we have to make a report regarding the condition of the technical object. Then according to the condition, then we can able to request the damage about that based upon the present position of the condition of the object. Then we can make a report regarding that object condition. Okay, second one is execution. So based upon the report given in the object condition, then execution can be done. Okay. Here this is used to plan the execution of the maintenance activities in detail, and also it can be able to monitor the progress of work and settle the cost of the maintenance task. And next one is completion of maintenance task. It's the most important in this area because it is used for long-term saving of the most important maintenance data. It can be called for evaluation at any time. Benefits of planned maintenance. So planned maintenance is done well in advance so that we can able to avoid the failures and also breakdown of the machine. Let me tell what are the benefits of planned maintenance here. Greater plant availability, less costly, less cost, high level of output, greater utilization of machines without any delay. Servicing and adjustment is not overlooked. Improved budget control, improved stocks and spares control, provision of information for realistic forecast, focusing attention on frequently recurring jobs. Then coming to the disadvantages, once you go through this slide. So the next, moving on to the next one. Disadvantage of plant maintenance. High control on records and analysis, planning and scheduling. Disadvantage of plant maintenance. It needs a high control on records and analysis and also uh, planning and also scheduling. Monitoring of parameters like temperature, lubrication, noise, corrosion, leaks, etc. are high. The equipments to do that are also costly. The things which are going to monitor the parameters like temperature, lubrication, noise, such equipments are somewhat costly. Optimum planned maintenance is required, hence correct judgment is needed. Too much or too little is not good. We have to give the exact report of the maintenance of the equipment. Once you go through the previous, so regarding this our plant maintenance role, objectives of maintenance management, types of maintenance. What are that? Breakdown maintenance, predictive maintenance, planned maintenance, routine maintenance, and preventive maintenance. Benefits of planned maintenance and disadvantages of planned maintenance. So with this I am going to stop my session and we'll meet with another new topic in the next session. Thank you one and all.